This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Wait! This robot can feel? You're not ready for what you're about to see. This is insane. These robot arms in Tokyo are doing something that should be impossible. Not only can they move like human arms, they can actually feel what they touch. And when I say feel, I mean the human controlling them feels it too. What? I know, right? Check this out. While this robot picks up chopsticks in Tokyo, a human operator wearing these special arms can feel exactly how heavy they are. It's like telepathy, but for touch. The robot touches something soft, boom, the human feels soft. Something cold, bam, instant cold sensation. This is OpenArm. And here's the craziest part, it's free. The whole design is open source. Your neighbor could literally build one in their garage. Okay. You think that's wild? Watch this. Folding a t-shirt. Most humans can't even do this properly. Building boxes at 6 times speed. It's like watching a speed run IRL. Picking up paper towels without crushing them. That's like picking up a butterfly with excavator claws. But here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. The operator can tell the difference between a wet sponge and a dry sponge. From touch alone, through a robot, miles away. Are you kidding me right now? Listen, this isn't just cool tech. This is game over for how we think about robots. Doctors performing surgery from their couch. Someone in New York fixing stuff on the space station. Your grandma hugging you through a robot from across the world, and you feel it. We're talking about downloading the sense of touch over the internet. And remember, this is open source. Some kid in their dorm room could make this thing do backflips tomorrow. Here's what's actually happening. We just crossed into sci-fi territory, except it's real. This robot doesn't just move, it experiences. And it shares that experience. Imagine controlling a robot on Mars and feeling Martian rocks. Imagine surgeons saving lives from thousands of miles away. Imagine never losing the ability to hug someone, no matter where they are. This is happening right now. If your mind isn't blown right now, check your pulse. Smash that subscribe button like these robot arms fold shirts. And tell me in the comments, what would you do with touch-enabled robot arms?